you guys got behind you there? What do you call that thing?
That is the world's first skid steer mounted, boom arm mounted flamethrower from Eterra.
It's the Eterra boom arm flamethrower 2000.
Right from the beginning when we started doing these boom arms, there was nothing in the marketplace. Over the past few years, there's been a few things that have popped up, but nothing with the functionality of what we're able to do here, and nothing even close to the quality of what we build. And we really like to showcase that. We want to showcase that in everything. If you look at the flamethrower, it's polished aluminum, everything's machined, all of the parts are just beautiful on it. And that's what our attachments look like. We don't skimp on anything. Everything we do is first class here. A long time ago I realized, hey, we're just a small manufacturer. We can't be the cheapest. It's impossible, but we can be the best.